Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will share the best photo editor applications for your Android smartphones that you should definitely give it a try. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for application name as Snapseed, as you can see here. So as I have already downloaded and installed this, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it, and it's from the Google itself. So it's a very good news from the brand Google itself. This software has been developed, so it's totally free, of course, so you can download and install it. So you install it. So after installing, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you will see its user interface. So what you need to do, you need to tap on this plus button, so you can see here. So you can select the pictures that you want to edit. So here are some filters, as you can see in the below line, and there is a tools which will be very useful if you want to control manually. Like if you want to tune image, you can click on it and you can tap on this options, and you can select different options, and just by dragging left or right, as you can see a blue line on the above is adjusting or decreasing the contrast or increasing the contrast. And if you're done, you can leave it, and you can see select different options like shadows, warm, highlights, and lots of options. If you want to go back, just tap on the back button and go back to tools. Here's a huge number of options for your photo editing, so you can see lots of options, so you can try depending upon your needs. Even the lens blur are also there, even the HDR landscape option there, even the healing. If there are some problems, then you can fix by clicking on healing. There's lots of options, so you try yourself, and once you're done, you can see an export option where you can export and save a photo in different formats, and you can save it in your photo gallery. So this all about the Snapseed. So one more application I will be showing you. So we'll move back to Play Store again, and in the Play Store we'll search for one applications named as Lightroom. This Lightroom is developed by the Adobe company itself, so it's also totally free, of course. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So you download and install it, and once you have installed it, click open. On opening the user interface, you can see, so you select the pictures, or you can select by selecting from the left side, and you can select the preference from where you want to find your stored photos. So as you can see below, there's a lots of options. There's more options when you just slide it on the leftwards. So it's very professional editing. Like if you want to edit the lightnings, then you can click on the light, and you can see here lots of options like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, and so and so. Even in different modes, you will get different options. As even you can see a lens, chromatic aberrations, even a grid, you can see your positions. So there are lots of options. If you're really fond of photo editing in your mobile phones, then definitely these two applications I'll highly recommend you to try it out by yourself. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.